Namaskar, boys and girls. In this short presentation, I am going to tell you how to handle a studio design project. I have seen a number of students always get confused about how to start and how to go about a studio design project. And in the process, what they do is that for the first 15 days to 1 month, they just don't do anything. They just get stuck up either with the site or with the brief or with something else. And finally, precious time to start with is completely lost. So in this short presentation, I'm going to let you know about what points to be kept in mind when you begin designing a studio exercise that is given to you. There are 6 important aspects that you need to keep it in mind while designing a studio project. Number 1 is the project brief itself, because normally the faculty members will give all of you the studio design brief for you to go through, you to understand about what the project is. So you need to carefully read it and try to find out how the brief could be converted into logical spaces that you are going to club together, and then trying to evolve a plan for your project. Number 2 is the project site. Project site is critical. Sometimes an imaginary site is given, sometimes a site chosen from a Google map is given, whatever it is, or sometimes a realistic site is given. Now, you need to first understand the site and how the site can be drafted. So, the best way to get acquaintance of the site is to take the site dimensions, the site angles, the road in the front, if there is any road sideways, and try to draft it yourself on a sheet of paper. Drafting is the best way to understand the site much better. So you need to understand the site so that you can place your design on the site in the most appropriate manner. Third thing is the surroundings. What surroundings are around the site? Okay, so there could be bushes, there could be another property, there could be a road that is leading somewhere else, there could be a swale. So you need to understand these features and try to find out how these features will help you in your design. Another important aspect is the composition. Composition you have already studied in your first year and second year. How to compose different masses, different blocks, so that the entire composition would be quite interesting. It's a basic design process that will now be used in every design that you do. So when you are actually calculating the brief, trying to create the clusters out of the brief for various spaces, you also need to think about the composition of these blocks, which would be quite interesting to look at the positive and the negative spaces and all those things. So composition becomes very important. Another one and very important one is the distant view. Is there any distant view to the site? There could be a mountain, there could be a river flowing which is seen from the site, there could be a waterfall if it is in the mountains, the site is in the mountains, you can even have a view of the fall. or there could be a very interesting, beautiful building uh, some distance away. Now, how these interesting features can be included in your design, that you need to think about while you are doing the composition, while you are understanding site, and while you are trying to uh, have your brief converted into design on your site. And finally, the presentation. Presentation by far is the most important thing, because how you present your idea, how you present your design finally matters a lot. So presentation includes the study of the background, foreground when you are rendering your elevations, uh, appropriate human figures, and many other things. So remember, these 6 points are important for you to go ahead with your uh, design in your studio. So converting brief into logical design blocks, placing them on the site, understanding the surrounding of the site, understanding the distant views that can be included in your design, and of course, how you are going to present the design finally as a final submission. All these aspects are very important. So enough for now, and wait for the detailed presentation little later. Until then, goodbye and all the best wishes to you.